Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery menu or recovery mode on this phone. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, simply press and hold the power button, keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen, then tap on the power off option and tap on it again to turn off the phone. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and the volume up button together and keep holding them until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. And once you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button for a couple more seconds basically. Okay, so let's press and hold the power and volume up together. Keep holding them. Once you see the logo, release the power button, but keep holding the volume up. Keep holding it for a couple more seconds. The phone will vibrate, and once it does, you can release the volume up button and wait. Couple more seconds. And after a couple seconds, you should enter the recovery menu like this. And to move through this menu, you can use the physical buttons or you can use the touch screen. To use the physical buttons, use the volume up and volume down to scroll up and down, and the power button to confirm. And to use the touch screen, simply tap on options. And we have options like restart, clear data, update mode, and save mode. In clear data, we have more options. We have the factory reset and wipe cache partition. And in update mode, we have memory card, e-recovery mode, USB update mode, and memories card / OTG update mode. Okay. And save mode basically allows you to enter the save mode on your phone. Okay. To exit this menu, you simply select the restart option. And once you select it, your phone will reboot back into a system. As you can see, we're back into system. And that's how you enter the recovery mode on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.